Today's class we will find general term of AP or n term of AP. Let A1, A2, A3 be an AP whose first term is A1 and common difference D. Then T1 equal to A, T2 equal to A plus D equal to A plus 2 minus 1 into D. Third term is A3 equal to A plus 2D equal to A plus 3 minus 1 into D. Fourth term A4 equal to A plus 3D equal to A plus 4 minus 1 into D. Therefore, nth term of AP is An equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So, nth term of AP with first term A and common difference D is given by An equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. An represent last term which is also denoted by L. A is the first term and D is common difference. N is the nth term. Number of terms. Next we will solve the exercise problem. Exercise number 1.2. First question. A equal to 7, B equal to 3, n equal to 8. Then we have to find An. So here we use formula An equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here An we have to find out. A is given 7, D is equal to 3 and n is equal to 8. So substitute these all values in the given formula. A equal to 7, n equal to 8 minus 1 into difference D equal to 3. So 7 plus 8 minus 1, 7 into 3. 7 plus 7 into 3, 7 3 is a 21 equal to 21 plus 7, 28. Therefore, An equal to 28. Second question. Here A is 18, D is not given, n is 10 and An is 0. Again we use same formula. An equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here An is 0, A is 18, n is 10 minus 1 into D. So 0 equal to 18 plus 10 minus 1, 9D. Again 9D equal to 18 comes this side, it is minus 18. D equal to minus 18 divided by 9 is minus 2. So D value is 2. And third question. A is not given, we have to find out. D is 3, n is 18, An is minus 5. We take same formula, An equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So An is minus 5, A is, we have to find out, D is, n is 18 minus 1 into difference is 3. Minus 5 equal to a plus 18 minus 1, 17 into 3 minus 5 equal to a plus 17 3 is 51. So a equal to minus 5 minus 51 equal to minus 56. A value is minus 56. Next, third main question. In the following AP, find missing terms. This first question, 2, comma, second term is not given, third term 23. So here solution. Here first term a is given, a1 is 2. Second term a2 is not given, we have to find out. Third term a3 is 26. Here a1 equal to 2, a2 equal to a plus b, a3 equal to a plus 2d. So a3 is 26 equal to a is 2 plus 2d. 26 minus 2 equal to 2d. 26 minus 2, 24 equal to 2d. So d equal to 24 divided by 2 is 12. Therefore, second missing term a2 equal to a plus d. So d is 12. a2 equal to a is 2 plus d is 12. Total 12 plus 2 is 14. So second term a2 is 14. Therefore missing term is here 14. a2 is 14. Second question, first term is not given, second term is 13, third term is not given, fourth term is 3. Here also you can take a1, if you have to find out a2 equal to a plus d, a3 is you have to find out a4 equal to a plus 3d. First term is not given, second term a2 equal to a plus d, third term is a3 is not given, fourth term a4 equal to a plus 3d. So first we take a2 equal to a plus d and a4 equal to a plus 3d. Here a2 is 13 equal to a plus d and a4, it is fourth term, is 3 equal to a plus 3d. So this is the first equation. Second equation, solving equation 1 and 2. Here first equation a plus d equal to 13 and a plus 3d equal to 3. So a value is same, 1a, 1a. So you have to subtract the equation. So 1a, 1a cancel. 1d minus 3d. 1 minus 3 minus 2. Here 13 minus 3, 10. So difference equal to 10 divided by 2 equal to minus 5. Now we have to find a value. A equal to, in first equation, A plus B equal to 30. So here A is not given, D we have to find out. Is minus 5 equal to 13. So A equal to 13, minus 5 comes this side, is become plus 5, 13 plus 5, 18. So A equal to 18, B equal to minus 5. Therefore, missing term, first term A is 18 and third term is missing term, third term A1, A2, A3, A plus 2D. Here substitute two values A and D. A is 18 plus 2 difference is minus 5. 18 plus 2 5 are 10, minus 10. 18 minus 10 is 8. Therefore, third term is 8. Next, homework. Remaining two questions. Third and fourth. That is 5, 9 of fourth question. Minus 4. The first term is given, second, third, fourth. And last term is given. Now, fourth question. Which term of AP (3, 8, 30, 80, etc.) is 78? Solution. First you write the given term. A equal to first term, that is 3. Difference equal to A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2. That is A2 minus A1. 8 minus 3 equal to 5, or 30 minus 8 equal to 5. And last term AN is 78. So required formula is AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Here AN is given, A term is given, D term is given. We have to find nth term. So AN equal to 78, A equal to 3, N is not given. We keep it as it is. D equal to 5. 78 equal to 3 plus 5 into N. 5 into 1, 5. 78 equal to 3 minus 5. 5n plus, we have to add number, 3 minus 5 minus 2. 5n equal to 78 plus 2, that is 80. N equal to 80 divided by 5n equal to 80. N equal to 80 divided by 5. 5 16 the 85. Nth term is 60. seventh question. Find 31 term of AP whose 11th term is 1038 and 16th term is 73. So here given term is 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. So 11th term is A plus 10B equal to 38. 16th term is A16 equal to 73. A16 is A plus 15D equal to 73. These are the two equations. 1 and 2 solving. Here A is not given, D is not given. Therefore, we have to solve these two questions. A plus 2 10D solving 1 and equation 2. A plus 10D equal to 38. A plus 15D equal to 73. So first you subtract the equation. A plus A minus A cancel. 0 plus 10D minus 15D minus 5D. Here 30 minus 8 5. Here 6 minus 3 3. Bigger number sign, that is minus. So D equal to 35 by 5 is 7. Next we have to find A value. So substitute D equal to 7 in equation 1. Equation 1 is, this is equation 1, this is equation 2. A plus 10D equal to 38. A is, we have to find A plus, D is 10 into 5. D is 7 equal to 38. A equal to 10 7 is 70. 38 minus 70 is 70 minus 38. 32. A equal to minus 32. Therefore 31 term is A31 equal to A plus 30D. A is minus 32 plus 30 into D is 7. 210. 210 minus 32. 168. 8 to 2 10. 1 6 7 2 10. 178. Therefore 31th term A31 178. 31 term is 178. Homework and remaining problems will solve in the tomorrow classes.